Hello everyone. In this video, we'll study the chapter 14 of class 3rd EVS, that is the story of food. So basically for the first picture, just refer to your textbook. It says Venu's family and Rani's family. So various people are doing various things in Venu's family while different people are doing different things in Rani's family. So first look at the pictures given here. Then we need to answer what kind of work are people doing in both the families, and is your family like any one of these families? If yes, then like which one, and how is your family like theirs? So now what we need to do is, the first thing we are going to do is what kind of work are people doing in both the families. So in one family we see, that is Venu's family, mother is preparing the food, father is cleaning the floor, and all the other family members are eating food together. Mother and father are reading newspapers while Venu is cycling. So this was the scenario of the first picture. When we look at the second picture, we clearly see it's Rani's family and mother is cooking food again. Males of the family are having food and Rani is serving the food. Now Rani and her mother are fetching water and Rani's father is reading newspaper. So we can see one and the most major difference: in Venu's family, all the family members were working, but in Rani's family, the male members were not working and not doing the household work, but the females were doing it. So is your family like any one of these families? If yes, which one, and how is your family like this? So my family is like of Venu's family because we all work together. You need to tell me about your family. So next we have, do all the family members in your family eat together? If not, then why? So if they don't, then you need to tell the reason why, but mostly all the family members eat together. Then who eats last in the family and who does not help in the cooking food, and why? So basically when we talk about families, almost everyone eats together, so there is no one left out to eat in the end. And one person who does not work in the cooking of food can be your father, because maybe he's out for some work. But these questions are completely according to your own perspective and your own family. Then we have a table, and what we need to do is, some of the works are written in the which are done in the house are mentioned here. So find out who does them in your house and who does those work in your friend's house. You can add some more works if you want to do so. So this is a table here. It has written cooking food, buying things from the market, sweeping, cleaning the utensils, filling water, etc. So I'll just give you an example. For say like in my house, my mother cooks food, while in my cousin's house or in my friend's house, her aunt cooks food. So this is the difference. Now you need to do the same thing for all the household works. Now who does more work in your house and in your friend's house? So once you fill the table, you will get the answer that who is the person who's working the most in your family and who is the person who's working the most in your friend's family. Now where does what we eat come from? So the names of some food items are given here, and what we need to do is, we need to circle the items which we get from animals. So these are the following names. Now I'll keep on circling the items which we get from animals. We need to draw a green circle for the objects we get from plants, and a red from which we get from animals. So the first one is honey. Now honey is derived from animals, so we'll put a red circle around it. Then we have turmeric. Turmeric is derived from plants, so a green circle. Fish, animals again, red circle. Yogurt, animals again, red circle. Corn, plants, green circle. Milk, animals again, red circle. Lemon, coriander, spinach, potato, ajwain, rice. All from the plants, green circle. Egg and meat, both from the animals, red circle. Banana, wheat, tomato, onion, chili. All from the plants, green circle again, and the last one, that is cheese, from the animals, so a red circle. So now it says, when you are sick, do you take any medicine? Now which we get from plants. So what do you take when you get hurt? Have a stomach ache like the girl is having, have a cough and cold, and have a toothache. So we need to list out the medicines we take in the following conditions which are derived from plants. So when we get hurt, we apply turmeric and it heals our wound very quickly. When we have a stomach ache, we can have ajwain and black salt with water. It's a home remedy and it works very effectively. When we have cough and cold, we have milk with turmeric. And when we have a toothache, we can put clove oil and keep it in our mouth so that our toothache vanishes very soon. So these are the following things which we do, which we derive from plants and we do when we are in trouble. So now what we need to do is we need to choose the correct basket for all these items and put these items in the correct basket. So basically all these items are derived from plants and we have different parts of the plants written on different baskets, like one has flowers, one has leaves, one has written fruits, and one is any other part of a plant. So this is a fun activity for you. What you need to do is you need to search about all these items, pick them up and drop with them in the correct basket. So with this we are done with the chapter. We will study the next chapter in the next video. That's all. Thank you.